Hi, this is Timo. He's a 5-year-old Belgian Malinois who I got right around when he was 12 months old. Before Timo was retired, he was a bite dog, bomb detection dog, and tracking dog. Got him in 2016 when I became a handler for my job in the military. We did about 3 years together, deployed twice, and I retired him last year. I still take him on walks, hikes. I run him every single day, and I try to keep up on his obedience, just so he has something to do. Now that he's retired, literally all he does is drive me insane. These dogs, if you leave them alone, they're gonna start destroying everything inside.
No! No!
When my time as a handler was up, you get first dibs on retiring the dog. Me and this little guy have been to 2 deployments together, around 10, 11 months total, and there was no way I was going to let him go somewhere else with someone who didn't understand him. I took him immediately. Do I regret it? Absolutely not. Does he make my life a little more difficult? Yeah, he fucking does.
He just gave me an eye roll.
He did, you see that? If you guys want to see more videos on Timo, make sure you give me that thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Timo. Wow. Gunner. Smart dog. Smart doggo. Come here. Oh, boy.